try to avoid leaving an opening where that tooth was because teeth will shift, the bite changes, and becomes uncomfortable for the patient. Replacing a missing tooth allows the patient to eat what they want and not have any more problems with that area.
Until recently, there was no way to simply replace a missing tooth, but with the advancements in dental technology, we now can place a dental implant. When done correctly, implants feel like real teeth.
It's really hard to eat, go out, and be confident without some kind of interim solution. And so Dr. Abajian once again took incredibly great pains to make sure that I got a prosthetic that is not noticeable, is comfortable to wear, and for at least light meals I can eat with it.
Implants attach directly to the jawbone, giving you the real tooth feeling. With an implant, you can enjoy biting, chewing, brushing, and flossing like normal.
We are excited to have the opportunity to serve you. Be sure to let us know if you have any questions about dental implants. Call us today and make sure to take advantage of our new patient special by clicking on the Dental Deals button below.